Like, have that type of mindset that you're never going to do it again. That's what I told myself. I'm like, I'm never doing that shit again. Never again. Never again. What's up, y'all? We back at it, like crack at it, with another one. So you want to stop relapsing. You keep relapsing. You keep doing it. You just keep doing it. You can't stop. Listen, you watch this video from beginning to end, and you will know how to stop relapsing. You will know definitively how to stop relapsing. I've been on NoFap for 130 days and I haven't relapsed once. Have I had thoughts? Yes. Have I had chances? Yes. But I haven't done it. That's called willpower. That's sacral chakra right there. Okay? That's sacral chakra. So how do you get this installed? No more stalling. Let's just get straight into it. Number one, work out every single day. Every single day you're going to want to work out. You have built up energy inside of you. The reason why you keep realizing is because you're not using this energy. So this energy is just built up inside of you. And what's your natural reaction when this energy is built up inside of you? To relapse. To watch porn. To jerk off. To fuck low vibrational females. Now, you're going to want to work out every single day. What does this mean? Does this mean go to the gym and just go crazy every single day? Nah, you're going to injure yourself pretty fast, all right? What I mean is do a couple push-ups. Go for a run. It could be a mile run. It could be 25 push-ups. Do 25 push-ups and go for a mile run. Boom. That's a workout. You want to spill this energy and not spill it in that way. You want to expel this. You want to use this energy that is inside of you. This is the energy that we used to create the world, my nigga, to create Earth, to create everything. Alright? So what happens when you have all that energy and you don't know what to do with it? Of course you're going to jerk off. Of course you're going to relapse. So you're going to have to work out every single day in order to expel this energy. Now, let's move on. Sexual transmutation. Got a book here. Think and Grow Rich. This book talks about sexual I just lost my page. Alright, whatever. This book talks about sexual transmutation. It's a real thing. It's when you use the built up energy within your root chakra and you let it go straight up to the rest of the chakras and align your chakras. When doing that, it uses the energy that is within you, because this is all about actually using that energy that you've been saving on NoFap. So what it does is it uses that energy for other things. So if you are wanting to advance in your career, boom, it'll do that. If you want to be better at basketball, boom, it'll do that. If you want to, motherfucking, I don't know, something, make some more money, boom, it'll do that. That's what it does. Visualization with this is powerful because you are also unlocking that heart chakra. The heart chakra is the key to manifestation. It is the bridge to the higher chakras. So you want to visualize you actually getting that goal, and sexual transmutation combined with this, boom, you're good at that point, right? So for this one, you just want to do sexual transmutation. Go on YouTube, look up sexual transmutation meditations and do that shit. Either a guided meditation or by yourself, doesn't matter. Number 2, you're gonna want to do sexual transmutation. Alright, number 3, why do you keep relapsing? You keep going on Instagram, bro. You keep going on Instagram. Or you keep letting these small things affect you, bro. You gotta get a stronger mind. You gotta get more willpower, bro. It's at the end of the day, listen. I like females too. You like females, I'm guessing. They're fine. I love females, you know what I'm saying? But I do have a higher perspective where I'm like, at the end of the day, it's really just a body part. I'm gonna keep it G real. It's really just a body part that we were sexually that our ancestors over millennia, over generations of time, built themselves to be more and more attracted to, so they can reproduce. At the end of the day, that's all it is. That's all it is. So how this goes into this point is, you go on Instagram and you put in these females on such a high pedestal, and you're like, oh my god, you're going goo goo gaga over them, and they show a little shoulder, and you're just like, oh my god, I gotta relapse. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. And it's all not necessary, bro. Just chill on the Instagram. On Instagram, you're gonna see ass, you're gonna see titties, depending on who you follow, of course. But most of the time, you don't see that. What you want to do is unfollow all of that shit. Chill on Instagram, period. Don't go on Instagram every single minute, every single time of the day. Chill on it, bro. So, but definitely unfollow all that shit. I don't follow World Star. I don't follow The Shade Room. I don't follow no porn. Y'all niggas be following porn stars on Instagram. Like, and then you're like, why do I keep relapsing on semen retention? What do you think? Take a wild guess. Because you're watching porn. You're watching porn. Okay, Instagram allows females to get with a lot of shit. So yeah. So I don't follow all that shit. I don't follow none of that shit. I don't follow none of that shit, bro. Unfollow all that shit. It's gonna make you relapse. You're gonna see it and you're gonna be like, oh god, and then you're gonna relapse. And you're gonna be like, oh my god, and then you're gonna feel bad for your relapsing, which is just a low vibration overall. So yeah, unfollow all those accounts. Let's get into number 4. Don't count your days. Stop counting your days. Okay? The more you count your days, the more you're gonna relapse, bro. You're gonna be on day 10 and you're gonna be overthinking it and shit like, oh man, I'm on day 10, man. It's been a minute. You know, I think I've already felt the benefits, and then you'll relapse. That's how motherfucking relapse, bro. I really wasn't counting my days till I was like on day 30. And people know when you're over the 30-day period, that's when it stops. That's when it kind of is just like everyday type shit. It doesn't get hard after 30 days, at least for me. After 30 days, at least for me. Just stop counting your days. Stop putting it on such a high pedestal. What you doing is you putting it on such a high pedestal that it is out of reach. You can't even hit that shit because you're putting it on such a high pedestal. You're looking up on it instead of just being on the same vibrational wave. You feel me? So don't put it on such a high pedestal. You got this. Every day just do it. You know what I'm saying? Make it a lifestyle. Don't make it a challenge. Make it a lifestyle. Just make it something you do. Like, have that type of mindset that you're never going to do it again. That's what I told myself. I'm like, I'm never doing that shit again. Never again. That's not the type of person I am. So you have to have that same mindset. You have to have that same affirmation. That's not the type of person I am. I'm never finna go down that street again. Never finna go down that road. And this is just my lifestyle. I'm not on day 3, 5. So if you on like your first week, your first 2 weeks, those are probably the hardest. So I would just get some extra encouragement. Number 5, get some extra encouragement. Go on NoFap on Reddit. Go on Semen Retetion on Reddit. There are people who are on, even some niggas be on the same day as you. Some people are on day two, which is respectable from a perspective, because if you've had a porn addiction for all your life and you're on day 2 of not watching porn, that's pretty respectable. I'm gonna say that. But yeah, get some extra encouragement, bro. Just get some extra encouragement. Watch videos like this. You know, this is, I'm pretty sure you guys know, but this is not the first semen retention video that has ever came out. Wow. So yeah, there's a lot of semen retention NoFap videos on Instagram. On YouTube. Surprise, right? So yeah, watch a couple videos, man. Just get some extra encouragement. I'd say watch one like every day, bro. There's enough out there that you can watch one every day. Trust me. So watch one like every day, bro. Just get some encouragement. Make it so like you got so much encouragement that you don't even want to realize, because it's like you got other people helping you out on your journey. I believe you can do it, bro. You can fucking do it, bro. It's within your spiritual journey. This is something that you're gonna have to overcome. Everybody done it, right? Everybody has to overcome this root chakra, this desire, this shit like this. You just gotta overcome it, and you're going to, man. You're gonna do it. I believe in you. And that's it for this one. Really hope you guys enjoy it. Really hope you guys resonated with the words I spoke on today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your friends, comment, tell me what you think about it. And I'll see y'all later. Peace out. Oh, free consultations on Instagram. Peace out.